Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video. Here is my cooking series. All ingredients will be listed in my description box as well as instructions. If you have any questions, please let me know. There will not be a voiceover in this video. As always, I appreciate all the love and support and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video.